Hello everyone, I am Akshat with my teammate Abhishek. We are Team Code Breakers and we are here to demonstrate the functionality of our project Helping Hand. This project aims to provide a solution which will help to achieve the goal of zero hunger as well as reducing food wastage. So, this is our project's landing page. Here, firstly user will be asked to sign into the application. When user will click on the sign in button, a prompt will come which asks user to sign in using his or her Google account. When user will sign in successfully to the application, he can see his home page. On the top right corner there will be user's name and image. When user will hover on his image, a drop down will come in which user can see his or her profile. In user's profile, here is all his necessary detail along the user's location that will be automatically picked after user's approval. Now we come back to home page. Here, user can add his food item. User will click the add food button. Then a form will come up where user can fill all the details about their food item. And after clicking add on the food item, user's food will be added to his list as well as the list which is available publicly for all the users. Now we sign out and sign in with another user. Now we are signed in as the second user. Here in the available food items, you can clearly see the food items that was added earlier by the first user. Now, if he wants to deliver this food, he can select or unselect his preferred food item. After selecting the food item, the Get Direction button will be enabled. And on clicking it, he can get the direction to the location of this food from his current location. Now, user can navigate to the location and pick up the food item and deliver it to whomever he desires. We have also included a reward system in this application. For every successful food listing, user will get 10 reward points or RP, and for every successful food delivery, user will get 30 points. Here you can see the redeem section. In this, user can claim different available products with his reward points. This will work as a motivation for all the users to list or deliver as much food as possible. User can also list and deliver his own food item in order to get 40 points. In any case, food will be delivered to a person who needs it, also reducing food wastage, and we take another step to our goal of zero hunger. This was our project Helping Hand. Thank you.